Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you some amazing maps I made and found on the internet. This map shows the USA divided by area into two. This map shows the USA divided by population into two. This map shows America's economy divided in half. This map shows Ukraine before and after Russian invasion. This shows how much population Pakistani states have compared to other countries. This map shows Chinese provinces' population compared to other countries. This map shows the true size of Australia, compared to other countries. This map shows the true size of Africa. This map shows how big is India in terms of population. Each colored segment holds more population than a continent. This map shows how much area Taiwan claims. For context, it claims more than 267 times of its current land area. This map shows area of Bangladesh if it had same population density as Mongolia. Thank you for watching today's video.